Hey, what up? Some kids here going to a new restaurant in the Murfreesboro. Fresh Bite Cuban American Cuisine. Let's go in and see what it's all about. Very nice half octagonal bar. Alright, let's see what we're gonna get. So we ended up getting a Fresh Bite Tostones. And this is what they look like before I put them in my mouth. And she got the chicken Cuban. And we both got some plantains. Here it is. Green plantain. I'm gonna mix these sauces in. So the restaurant was pretty good. We had several different things. We had a Cuban sandwich, and we had 2 other things off the menu. It was very good. It's reasonably priced. Service was great there. I do highly recommend that restaurant. So Fresh Bite Cuban American Cuisine, located in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. We had 2 entrees, $13 to $14 each, and then the plantains were $3-4, and those 23-ounce football mug beers were about $4 each or something like that, kind of cheap. Total bill was like $34.95 plus a tax. So really good lunch, really good place to stop and eat. The food wasn't too spicy. I think they got a little bit more spice on some of their stuff, but very good food and very reasonable. And the service was amazing. They really took care of you there. So I enjoyed that, and I do recommend.